we are going to talk about ELF. ELF. Where is it? Is right here. ELF is going to report today after the close. Today, May 22nd. Okay, Wednesday, May 22nd. ELF is going to report after the close. Let's look at the stock. I'm feeling good about this. Okay, I am feeling good. Well, why are you feeling good? Well, let's look at this chart right here. ELF has continuously in the past trended nicely upward. Okay, nicely upward. Let me get my marker. It nicely trended upward. This is ELF on the daily time frame. Look over here, the left top, daily time frame. ELF has, when it's pulled back, it has nicely found the support each time on a 200-day moving average here. So now will it do it again here? Probably. Why do I like ELF? Look at this. Look at this right here. For the year to date, no, not year to date, that's 13%, but here. For the year, all right, let me just turn this to yellow. For the year, we're up 84%. That is nice, okay? That is nice, adorable. 5-year, look at that, 1,000. It's always been trending nicely upward. So I like a stock that it's not its first day. This is not the first rodeo. So we're talking about this because earnings are coming up. There's estimates. It's been positive in the past. We're wondering how will it do it again? Like, can it do it again? So I just wanted to show you this. Let me just draw the trend line real quick for you. Because here, I'm assuming, you can never assume, that we'll have another touch here. Like we touched here, I'm assuming we'll have another touch here and it'll go back up. Another trend line. Okay, so this is the support area, this bottom line, okay? Over here, we've seen where, it goes up like this. So my point is, if we catch some support, we can sell off. We could. Companies can report earnings and then still sell off. But how low will we really go? Will we really pass $140? So, you can always wait to see what happens. You don't have to be in before it. You can wait to see what happens after, or dollar cost average yourself in. But the odds are, since it's been such a nice trend upward for such a long time. I mean, look, this is 2023. Left bottom corner, people, right here, 2023, and we're still going nicely upward, right? So we could just, come upward like that and, and ride up here into the sunset, okay? I expect resistance up here. I want to show you on a different time frame, okay? Well, not different, but on here. Okay, this is my day trading, one of my day trading systems here. Okay, so you see we have over here $158. If we go from this level, let's just say we fall down to the orange line, okay, to this support. If we go from here upward, okay, the high $221. So if we just go like in the future up to here again, just like right here, see the third line in that blue floating box, 50% gain, 50% gain. People like that, okay? And the point is, okay, that's if we start from down here. But if you just start where we're at right now, okay, around here. If you go down, how much do you have to lose? Look at the floating box again. Okay, how much the third line in the floating box? If we just touch support, you're only going down 8%, okay? So you could just slowly start picking it up, down 8%. But you can go up, what would it be right here? 38%. Okay, I like those odds, the probabilities. You want to have the reward in your favor, okay? The risk to reward ratio. So you want it in your favor. So this is one of the reasons why, okay, this is adorable. Not that I'm saying you have to rush and, and just buy it and everything. Because another problem is that right now, this week, okay, yesterday there was Waller. Okay, so this is the Fed. Okay, so this is the Federal Reserve calendar. Okay, so Governor Waller was speaking. So we have a lot of this Fed speak happening. So here, May 22nd, the FOMC minutes meeting is going to happen at 2 p.m. All of this keeps people on the sidelines. So even if they report well, sometimes it just may like people are like, I don't know yet. But, we'll see. We will see. Okay, it's better just wait to see how people are going to feel about all this FMOC, the Fed meetings, the Fed talk. But here, I want to show you this. This is ELF. This is the financials. This is the earnings, okay? Past earnings, quarterly, okay? Quarterly. Let me put this in green. There we go. Quarterly. See here, 2022, 23, okay? All these quarters, green, green, green. It has consistently, this is the revenue side. Okay, consistently, let me just move this down. Sorry. Okay, there we go. All right. The estimates have consistently, and the revenue, like it came back positive. It was always beating. Here with the earnings today, right? Today, this is the past. We've always been doing well. So that's why, let's go with something that the probability is in our favor. All right. So I just want to leave you with this. This is what James Clear, the author, said. Practice is the price you pay today to be better tomorrow. All right. So practice is the price you pay today, for us to be better tomorrow. That's the author, James Clear. I hope you like this content. Click like and subscribe. I'll see you back next time. Okay. Or anything that moves. Bye for now.